skipper too. A millionaire and his wife, the movie star, the professor and Mary Ann, here on Gilligan's Island.
There she is, Mary Ann. It's hard to believe that Gilligan's Island is celebrating its 50th anniversary on September 26th. And what should have been a 3-hour tour turned into a 50-year journey for Dawn Wells, who played Castaway Mary Ann Summers, my personal favorite. Dawn is here this morning to tell us about her new book. It's called What Would Mary Ann Do? And I so enjoyed reading this. Thank you for being here.
Well, thank you. And you tell me you have an early teenage daughter, and it's a very important time, isn't it?
You know, I loved reading the book, and I would really like to read it with her.
I like that idea because you can share. It's not telling you what to do, it's showing you what to do, I think.
So why did you decide to write this?
My fans, I think, after all these years, you meet the boys that said, you were my first crush, you meet the girls that said, you'd have been my best friend, and it's gone on, 3 generations. And there's a reason. There's a reason this character, I think, is really so in our hearts so much. She'd have been your best friend. She would cook, she would clean, she would be not trying to take your boyfriend away. She'd have been your pal. And I think we're divided today. It's all about sex appeal, and it's all about reaching out on the internet, and I think we need to get back to the basics. Not just etiquette, but are you responsible? Do you finish the job you start? Are you a nice person? All of those things. I don't think families have time. Mothers and fathers are both working. There's multiple families living together. It's a very difficult time.
Well, that's why I'm wearing the pigtails today.
Isn't she adorable?
Because I just, you know, I always loved the character. And you still, I know you're still recognized. You look amazing. We would love to ask you what your secret is.
I don't know, but I'm terrified to do something. Because if you do something, it doesn't look like yourself anymore. So I'm getting close, but I'm still alive. That's the key.
Well, and you have so many fans still. Now, I know that your book signing is sold out, unfortunately, but you will be auctioning off the famous shorts.
I am. They go on auction first week of October, I think. But there are books still, even though the personal appearance is sold out. There will be books autographed.
There are books in the bookstores. There's an interesting story about how you designed these shorts.
Well, we weren't even allowed to wear shorts. It was the first shorts on television.
Oh, really?
We weren't allowed to show my navel. And I was short, and I was little, and Tina had these long legs, you know. So I participated in the design. It's that denim that's soft and hugs your body. It's not the Daisy Dukes. I brought them up on the legs so my legs would look longer. I dipped them on the side so my torso would look, and then the little hump that came across and covered my navel. And I don't know who wore them. They're about this big. That's all I can say. I don't know who wore them then, but I did. I don't know.
Oh, they're fantastic. What's your favorite episode?
The dream sequences. I think there's 2. The Eliza Doolittle one, where I got to play that character, and the one with the lion, which was a terribly frightening story with Bob Denver. And he did this to stop the lion from coming at him, as if you could defend yourself. But the bed spread apart, and the lion lost his balance. And when you realize how close you come to something, it's not a favorite episode, but it was quite an experience.
A memorable one.
Yeah, a memorable one as well.
Dawn, you are a delight and such an inspiration. It's so lovely to meet you and to have you here. It's an honor for us. And the book, again, it's called A Guide to Life. What Would Mary Ann Do? It's available now in bookstores. It is such a fun read. Laura, I will lend it to you.
Okay. Yes. Yes, I would like that. Brooke, you're so cute with your pigtails.
Thank you. I love them. This is what I wear on weekends. I am a Mary Ann for sure.
Where are your shorts? Where are they?
Well, now that not happening these days.
I understand.
And you actually have a chance to win the book if you tweeted us #MaryAnn. So that's something you can get right on this morning on Twitter.